Here in this video, we will show you how to solve basic web host manager missing issue in WHM reseller. Sometimes when we provide a WHM reseller account to someone, he is not able to see basic web host manager section in his WHM reseller account. This is a very common issue and it happens even if we provide proper reseller permissions at root level. If you also face this type of issue, then in that case we need to fix this issue from root level. So first of all, log into your PuTTY via SSH at root level and then run following command. Here in this command you need to replace the username with the username of your reseller account. So for an example, we will replace the username here with the reseller username for which we are facing this issue. Now, once you run this command, this problem will be resolved automatically. If you go inside server configuration, basic web host manager and setup is visible. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced web hosting provider who does not have this type of glitch, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you. You must give a try.